Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math Series. In this class, we'll be solving 6th problem in exercise 1.1. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out CBSE Class 10 Math Series. You can see all the previous example problems with solutions. Do check it out. The video link is in the description. It would be helpful for you. Now we are going to see the question. Here the question is, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. This is very simple. What we have to find out? We need to find out why these two numbers are composite numbers. For this problem, we have to know the concept of composite numbers. Already we had learned about this in previous classes. What is composite numbers? Composite numbers are the numbers which has more than two factors. Composite numbers are the numbers more than two factors. For example, if you are taking number 10, right, the factors would be 1 comma. We can divide this 10 by 2 completely. So I can take 2, and if you are taking 3, we cannot complete 3. We cannot divide this 10 by 3 completely. So we should not take 3 as a factor. And now we can check next number 4. We cannot divide 10 by 4 completely. And 5 we can, right? If you are dividing 10 by 5, we'll be getting, the question is 2, right? And also 6 we cannot, 7 we cannot, 8 also, 9 also, but 110 is 10. 110 is 10, so we can take 10. We can take 1. Why? Because 110 is 10. Right? And 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. So these are all the factors of 10, right? So here we have total 4 factors. That's why 10 is a composite number. In general, composite number is a number which has more than 2 factors. Okay, and in opposite, prime number is there. Prime. What is prime? Prime number, it's a number which has exactly 2 factors. For example, if you are taking number 2, this 2 is a prime number. Why? Because the factors are 1 comma 2. We can divide this 2 by 1 completely, and we can divide this 2 by 2 completely, right? So the factors are 1 and 2. Exactly, we have 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. That is called as prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which has exactly 2 factors. That factors are 1 and that number itself. For 2, we have 1 and 2, right? If I am taking 3, the factors would be 1 and 3. If I am taking 5, the factors would be 1 and 5. 1 and that number itself. That is called as prime number. Okay. Here we are discussing about composite numbers. Okay. Now we are going to see the solution for this problem. For the solution, I have written the given number in the question. What is given in the question? First given number is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, right? So I am writing first number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here these 3 terms are multiplication terms, right? Here we have multiplication simple here also, but here addition, right? These 3 numbers are coming under these 3 terms are coming under multiplication, and this one number is addition, right? So we can consider this as one term, this as one term, right? So here we have the common number 13. Here 13 and also here 13. So I can take 13 outside. Okay. If I am taking 13 outside, what would be inside? 7 and 11. Already I have taken 13. So 7 and 11 would be coming inside. 7 into 11. And if I'm taking 13 out, 1 would be there. 113 is 13, right? Next, 7 into 11, if I'm multiplying 7 by 11, I'll be getting 77, right? 77 plus 1. And 13 into 77 plus 1, 78. So here the thing is, we need to find out this particular number, this whole number is composite or not. So for that we have to find out the actual number. What would be the actual number? Actual number means multiplying these three terms and adding with 13. That should be the actual number. Okay, after finding the actual number, we have to find out the factors using prime factorization method, using L method. Okay, now 13 into 17, 78. 78 into 13, how much? 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. 9 into 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. And 1 8 is 8, 1 7 is 7. 4, 8 plus 3, 11. 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So I'm getting 1014, right? 1014. 1014. Now I have to find out the factors of this number. So I'm going to use L method. If I am taking 2, I can divide this 1014 by 2 completely. So I am taking 2 first. 5 2s are 10. Remaining, I have to take this one with 4. So I can take 0. I can write 0 here, and 14 is here. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Now I cannot take 2. Why? Because 507 will not get divided by 2 completely. So I can check with 3. 3, if I am taking 3, is it possible? 3, 2, 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2 and 0. 6 3s 2 and 0, 20, right? And 6 3s are 18. Remaining 2, then 27. I can take, right? 9 3s are 27, right? Now, if I am taking 3, I cannot divide this 3. I cannot divide 169 by 3 complete numbers. 4 also I cannot. 5 also I cannot. So I can take only 13 into 13. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. 9 6 1. 13 into 13 would be 169. So I can take 13. Here also 13. 13 into 13, 169. And now I am taking 13 outside. 1 3, 113 is 13. So the factors are 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. These are all the prime factors, right? But in this case, I can add 1 also. Why? Because 1 is not a prime. So here the thing is, we have to check whether we are getting the particular number has more than 2 factors. Here it's proved, right? More than 2 factors. Totally we have 4 factors. If we are including 1, we'll be getting 5 factors. So hence it is proved that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. How we can write the answer? Hence 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. This is the answer of first sub question. Next question also there. We need to check this number is a composite number or not. Now we can see the solution for that. This is second sub question that is given in the question. We need to check whether this number is composite numbers or not. What we are going to do is we have to simplify this number. We have more multiple terms here and only one addition term is here. So now we have to get the actual number first, and then we have to we need to check whether it has more than two factors. If it has more than two factors, we can say this number is a composite numbers. Now we can consider this as one term and this is one term. Here we have 5, right? Here also we have 5. I can take this 5 as a common number, so that I can take outside. Okay, so I'm taking 5 outside from this. So what will be inside? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus this 5. If I'm taking 5 outside, I'll be getting 1 here, right? So this would be the next step. And we need to simplify all these numbers then. 7 into 6, 42, right? 42 into 4, 42 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. 168. Then 168 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. Remaining 2. 1 3 is 3. Plus 2 5. 504, right? Then we need to multiply 504 by 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 0 0, 2 5 2s are 10. 1008 into 1, 1008. 1008 plus 1. Next step would be 1009, right? Now we have 5 into 1009. So I'm going to find out the factor of 1009. For that we'll be using L method, right? 1009. For this 1009, I cannot take 2 as a prime factor. Why? Because this 1009 will not get divided by 2 completely, and if you are checking with 3, we cannot, 4 also, 5 also, we cannot divide any number. We cannot divide this number by any number completely. So 1 at 1009 would be the factor of this number. Generally the factors of 1009 is 1 and 1009. Okay, why? Because we cannot take any numbers except 1 for dividing this 1009 completely. So 5 into, I can take 1 also. Why? Because every number has 1 as a common factor, 1 as a factor, right? So I can take 1 and 1009. We have 3 factors, right? Here 3 factors total. 5 into 1 into 1009. So I can write 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is a composite number. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 has more than, you have to write this sentence, more than 2 factors, so that this is a composite number. This is a composite number. This is the answer of 6th problem in exercise 1.1. This problem is very simple. You have to know the concept of composite number. Composite number is a number which has more than 2 factors. In opposite, there is a prime number. What is prime? It has exactly 2 factors. Okay, we need to check out the factors. If it has more than 2, we can say this particular number is a composite number. This is all about 6th problem in exercise 1.1. Which I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and hit like button. Subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.